Dito nga lang po sa katatapos na halalan, ano, ang nakuha niyo pong boto, more than 530,000 votes. Compared po dito sa dalawang mahigpit niyo pong nakalaban, medyo malayo-layo. Ito pong mga nakuha niyong boto dyan sa Maynila. Were you expecting this, Mayor, na ganito kalaki ang magiging lamang niyo kay Mayor Honey Lacuna?
We were surprised, no? Siyempre, alam mo, mahirap lumaban sa incumbent, especially kung re-electionist. No? The resources of the city government can be utilized in their favor. But we were surprised that with the overwhelming mandate given to us by the people. We wanted to win, of course, as a candidate. I think any John Doe and Mary na tatakbo gustong manalo. And that's also what we wanted. But Chichi and I, we were overwhelmed by the great majority of the people of Manila opted to elect us.
Oo, you were surprised. Pero Mayor, papanong panunuyo po ang ginawa nyo sa mga taga Maynila? Bakit ganito nga kalaki ang nakuha ninyong boto?
Uh, well, one, we went to the old ways, talking to people, a group of people like 1,000, 300, 500 individuals, yung mga senior citizens natin, kinausap natin in a town hall setting. Kasi nung lumang panahon, gano'n naman talaga. No? We went directly to the people, engaged them. We raised an issue, and if the issue is valid through their reactions and commentaries, we take note of that na ito concern ng tao sa, let's just say, Santa Cruz, o ito concern ng tao sa Top Avenue, ito concern ng tao sa Arten, o yung Road 10, yung napapanood nyo lagi na maraming jumper, yung nagbubukas sa mga kotse, mga nang-aagaw na cellphone sa truck, kumukuha ng mga gamit ng mga truck drivers, and so on and so forth. So, in the 6th district, may iba-iba silang particular na concern, but the common concern ng tao sa pangkalahatan ay talaga yung cleanliness and orderliness of the city.